Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mohawk. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we have a cute stone barbecue grill. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, directions are on the side. Make it easy.
Great.
Yep.
Open
And it looks like there's a couple parts, to say the least.
Whoa, really bigger.
Yeah, that's really big.
Whoa.
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 Lots and lots of parts.
I see this one.
Yeah, you wanna play with some of that stuff? I think that's everything. And it does require some batteries, so you need 2 AAA and 3 AA batteries, not included. And then we'll follow along with the instructions on there. Yep, let's get the legs. So it looks like we need both of these legs. And then these 2. And then let's find a wheel kit, which is here. What you got?
This.
Yeah.
Yeah, water. Coming out.
That's probably really loud for everybody with the microphone. Okay, I'm just changing it. Okay, move that together. Move that together. And it does come with a little instruction manual as well. So easy to kind of follow along. And it gives you kind of like a parts list on how everything works. So I'm going to keep this down in front of me.
Bob.
Okay, so it looks like these wheels go in like this.
Wheels.
Yeah, put the wheels on. Kind of easy. Then they snap in.
Gigi.
Okay, so nice good snap, and then it looks like these are going to be the feet.
Yeah.
Did you hear the snap? And that's for these legs. Oh, okay, so they're tapered, so it's pretty easy to make sure you get the right one. Okay.
Building.
We're building your grill.
See this one.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff.
See that.
You want to play with some of this stuff? Okay.
That.
So you get all your vegetables. I think I see some chicken nuggets, some chicken. I think there's a shrimp in there too. You want to open it? How I dump it in here? Whoa. It's even got a cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Is that your favorite?
Burger.
Burger. You like burgers. Okay. Burgers. So that's the inside of the grill. And it looks like one of the batteries goes in here. So since that's easy to access right now, we'll put that in. And it looks like it takes a Phillips head screwdriver to open that. So our handy dandy Leatherman.
Screwdriver.
A screwdriver, yeah.
Battery.
Takes batteries, yep.
See how open my
Yeah, we're gonna open it.
Oh, chicken knife.
Okay, so this takes the 3 double A's. Wait, what did you lose?
Fries.
Oh, you lost a fry. There's French fries in there too, just in case you were wondering.
Hurry.
Okay, hang on. Tragedy. Let me get the French fry. There you go.
And
Saved the day.
why?
Okay, so put that compartment back on, and we'll screw that down. Oh, does that come apart?
Yep.
Yep. Okay.
More time.
Okay. So it looks like you can put some water in there as well. So we'll mess around with that in a little bit. Ice. See, the water goes in. Water goes in there. And then it makes like simulated steam.
Out.
Coming out. Okay. So let's put the legs on, but I think we got to put, there's a bottom piece that's in there. I believe it's this one. So it looks kind of centered, so I guess it doesn't matter what side that goes on. So we're gonna put that in on each leg. So if you've ever put a grill together in real life, it's same process. Yeah, hang on.
Why?
Okay, so that is your grill base. And it looks like the grill top goes on, wheels to the right side according to the illustrations, instructions. And then we just line the legs all up,
Coming out.
push down a little bit, and then we are assembled as far as that's concerned. So there are some other accessories that go. This goes on the wheel side. So that just kind of, you'll see the grooves, so that kind of lines up, pushes into place. And then on this side, there is that piece, and same thing, you'll see where it lines up, kind of give you a better of a shot on that. So that's where that lines up. And pushes in place. Okay, so inside the grill, it looks like we are putting
Water coming out.
Yeah, water coming out. So that is your simulated cooking surface. And then there's a top level
Look.
that goes.
Water.
Oh, looks like there's some. Looks like we have these two pieces in here. So we just take these out of their mold holder. Here. Okay. You're looking for these two little, basically hooks, and the clip goes on this side. So kind of give you an idea. So that will fit in kind of like this first, and then kind of push it in straight like that.
Turn around.
And then it goes. Yeah, we're building it. We're almost done. We're almost done. Okay, and then these. So this will kind of hook in here like that. Okay, thank you. I'm not sure what that is. And then you're gonna. Okay, so getting this on, you got to kind of twist it in this way, and then that will fold up. Or wait a second, here it goes.
Okay.
So this piece goes on here. So I guess that's as you close, that will go down and then back up. So pretty cool. And again, we'll just put this in sideways like that. Kind of fold that up. Then we'll place it on here.
Good.
Yeah, hang on. Okay, so that's how it fits on there. All right, so it looks like when you go to fill the water up, you just got to kind of pull this up like that. Fill that with water. We'll fill it with water. Just hang on.
Go store.
Okay, so that's how that goes.
Go store. Go store. Yep.
And then you got a bunch of hooks and accessories and stuff that we'll put on there. And it looks like this little guy goes here.
Open.
That snaps in. Okay, so this is the side burner lid. So we're just gonna snap that together.
Got it.
And then that is your top. All right, so these little hooks go up here. Square side goes in, and it takes a little bit of thumb pressure to get it in there, but they will hold nice and steady and perfect for all the little accessories. Okay, so lift this up, and that plug comes out. Funnel not included. So, and just pour some water in there.
See this.
And it doesn't take much. It took like maybe an ounce.
And
And we'll take that. Okay, hang on. So then we'll put this back down into place. And then we'll turn the switch on. And then you have instant grill noise. Lights, kind of hard to see out here in the sun. But you can see the charcoal lights up. And then you got that simulated steam mist. And then, okay, and then this is your, I guess like torch, simulated torch. That's your battery compartment, and you want to put the batteries in like this. And then basically, pretty cool. Okay, you want that? All right, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there. Say bye.
Bye. Ready.
Okay.